I want to just briefly talk about the issue that most entrepreneurs fall into, especially the ones that are trying to start off a business online. I haven't made much money from online businesses. In fact, I've just found the one that I think I want to fully go with, and it's because of this one tip that I learned that I'm about to share. I learned this from Alex Hermosi. Some of you guys might know him. He's online. He's an entrepreneur. He's made millions of dollars. He gives extremely good advice. Now, online, if you look up how to make money online 2023, you're going to find hundreds of different business models. Some of them are going to be drop shipping, some of them are going to be agencies, writing courses, copywriting, investing, all of that. All of them work. Now, they wouldn't be business models if they didn't work. And all of them, you'll learn about the pros before you learn about the cons. So with investing, you might think, wow, if I start day trading, I can make $400 to $1,000 a day. Well, now if you get into day trading, you're going to start investing a little bit of money, and maybe for the first week, you're going to lose probably $1,000, and then you're going to give up because you've lost $1,000. Why would you continue on that? So, stage one, you start off with a business model, and you think it's so great. You think it's all butterflies and rainbows and dandelions. After about a week, you find out that there's a lot of different issues and that you have to overcome those issues to actually get the success. Now, not many people want to actually overcome those issues, so they'll end up just quitting. And then they find a new business model, and they go, wow, this is going to be so great because of look at all these people who have made it on this business model. I'm going to try it and I'm going to get there. Then they find the issues in that business model and they give up. Finding those issues and getting to the point where all you see are negatives and you haven't made a single dollar or a single sale or anything, that's called the valley of despair. Now, in order to succeed in any business, you have to climb past the valley of despair. It's very tough to do because for months on end, it could just be getting turned down by every single client, and you're thinking, why me? Everyone else has made it but me. But all those people who have made it have also gone through the same stage. I guarantee, out of all the people who have uploaded 100 perfect YouTube videos, who have tried 100 different dropshipping products, made 100 different courses, I guarantee none of them have had zero results. I guarantee that they have at least progressed where they can begin to scale their business. The only way to get to that point of making 100 pieces of content in whatever business model, whatever niche you're picking, is to get through the first 20 or 30. And that first 20 or 30 is happening in the valley of despair, which is why most people don't even get to the point of doing 100. So just try to stick in there, and as soon as you get to 100 pieces of content, ask yourself, maybe I'm not there yet, maybe I'm not, the most successful or I'm making a ton of money, but have I improved? And if you have improved, then why stop? You're not going to find one business model with no hardships. It's just not how it works. You just have to figure out which one you can push through the most and succeed. Jumping models only delays how long it takes you to be successful. Because you don't want to do the hard thing. You want to do the easy thing. You want to restart. There are a million ways to be a millionaire, and all you have to do is pick one and fully go through with it. You're going to reach that point where the valley of despair comes, and you got to anticipate when it comes, and you got to know it's going to suck for a month, for 2 months, for 3 months, but I'm going to push through because at the end of this, I'm going to be at this goal, and I'm going to have another client. For me, what I'm trying to do is start an agency for filming and video editing for businesses that need advertisements. I'm reaching out to different companies and getting free work before I start asking for paid work. And getting free work is easy, obviously. Who wouldn't want free work? So once I get 5, people that'll give me work for free, and I know having to sell is going to be the hardest part. So having to sell to those businesses is going to be my valley of despair. But I know in 1 month's time, it's going to be fucking brutal. I'm going to send out 300 emails and no one is going to want to buy my shit. I know that's going to happen. I'm just going to have to push through. I'm going to have to send out 400 emails, 500, 600. One thing I want you to take away from this video is that just keep going. I know it's going to suck. I know it might suck, But if you're actually passionate about what you're in and you can envision the long-term goal and you know that that's where you want to be, maybe you don't want to be where you are right now. Maybe where you're right now is kind of shitty. But if you can imagine a long-term goal for whatever it is you want to get to, and you think, wow, that's kind of nice, I want to be there, then why stop? Keep going there.